In this lesson we're going to talk about a few keyboard shortcuts we can use to move text around in a much simpler way. Now I have some text up here, the fox jumped over the moon, and let's decide that we wanted to create a copy of this within our document. The simplest solution would be to come down here and make a new row and just start typing again. Right? That's something we all know how to do. But let's say we need to do this a lot, or we just want to be more efficient at it. I can use my left mouse button, hold it down, and select this text. I can right click it, go to copy, and I can come down to my new row, right click again, and go to paste. Certainly a whole lot better than typing it, but we can do something that's even faster. We can still select it with our left mouse button, but this time we're going to use Control-C on the keyboard to copy it to the clipboard. Then I'm going to come down to my new row and I'm going to type Control-V to paste it. Now you may think that Control-V is not the most intuitive thing for paste. However, it is right next to your copy key, which we're using as C, and Control-P will get you a very different result, which is print. And if you're trying to paste something, that's not going to be what you want. One last scenario that may be extremely relevant is, let's say we don't want to create a copy of this. Let's say it's simply in the wrong place in our document and we need to move it somewhere else. We can once again select with the left mouse button there, but instead of Control-C, we're going to use Control-X to cut it. Now it's still saved to the clipboard, but it is no longer in its original location. I move to the new location and type Control-V, and there it is. So we have Control-X to cut, which will remove the original, Control-C to copy, which will copy the original, and Control-V, which will paste whatever the most recent thing in the clipboard is into the document. Not only does this work with text, but it also works with files. So let's say this was a template and we wanted to create a copy that we could work from. I can select this test01 file over here, type Control-C, select my desktop or whatever file or thumb drive destination I choose, and type Control-V, and there's my copy. So this is much quicker than using the mouse and certainly a whole lot better than retyping it. And over time, the more you use these, the more efficient you will become, because with each one you gain more and more time back from not having to retype or erase and retype and move. You can manipulate and change the text much faster using the keyboard. So I hope these are helpful, and good luck.